get it right.
Happy friends!
Go. Bye. Hello guys. Aku lagi di dalam box ini. Ini Pinkie Pie Pony. Ini dapat mystery of here. Ada sensory.
Wow.
Kau mau?
Wow.
Let's open it.
Okay. Let's go.
Oi.
Yeah.
Guys, can you help me, Mom?
You can do
I
it.
can't do it like that. Can you lower it up? So, in the open. I found it. Here it is, a Pinkie Pie. Oops, I opened it out a little bit. Here, guys. What? The bag is blowing away. What a silly chance. There's a map right here. There's the map right here. For the Pinkie Pie.
Instruction.
This is for Pinkie Pie to play with us.
Yes.
Let's open Pinkie Pie first.
Okay.
Oh, it's a down there. It's all in to get it out. Look at this. This look like good.
Crown.
Round. Why do you like crowns? Make a fairy down.
Wow. The hair is so sparkly.
We need the comb first. Open the comb. It says here it is. Let's brush it off. Let's see how it works. Oh, it's working. Now do the Pinkie Pie first. Here I have it. Hey, hello Pinkie Pie friend.
Hi. Huh?
Look at this one. I think this is a toy for your niece. This is only white when you like this. Now, Pinkie Pie. I have this. This is a chance. So, this one is look like softer, but this is look like fluffier. Oh, it look like this curly one. And let's open the sensory. I need help. You need Mama. I hear with Mama. Yeah, I see you.
The number is 5.
Five is sensories.
Okay.
Let's cut it with the green thing, and I want to see it well. Thank you. This is a skirt. So this is a skirt.
Wow, it's surprise.
What? Rubber bands? Rubber bands? Oh, good idea. We have to put this on inside her. He likes this. This is a sensory. A sensory. It's a bottle like this bottle.
It's for hair.
It's for hair like making a bottle. Yeah. Ta-da! Need to make it curlier. Next, the... What? What? This is the jewel. It's for this. Or maybe this. What is this? I see. What is this? What is this, Mama? What is this? Look. What? Look. What is this?
For crown.
Cow?
Crown.
Clown? It looks like a crown. No, this crown is better. It's a crown or it's a hook? Mama, let's know it. Let me know in the comment section if you want it. Oh, it's a hairclip or a pouch. This is a little Egypt. What does it look like? Mama, I bought the skirt for my Pinkie. Hey, put my skirt on. Put the skirt on. This is for shedding like that. Oh, I see. This is for healing the ikaw but no spill the dough in there. See, guys? Ta-da! You like it, guys? Now we need a girl shirt. Funny. Let's try again. What is it? Oh, I see. Like this. So I need the hook like this. Is it pretty, guys?
Wow, it's so pretty.
And you, I think so. It's still going down. So it's
Can I borrow?
borrow it together. So we need to start it together. Wow, it's time. It's fit. But it's fit the soggy one. Look, it's there. What? The little hair right here in the back? Wow. Is it soft, guys? It's pretty soft. Let's curl it first. You like it, guys? This is for the hair. Oops. This isn't good. Brush here. Hey, we forgot the T-rod and the minute bag. This is for in the back, Mama. Look like this.
Skirt.
Skirt. Like this. Like this. Guys.
Wow, ring, ring, ring.
Hello. We forgot the tiara.
Wow.
Let's open it up. Then I just leave this up. Let's see what it says. Pretty face. Oh, it's make it healer. Let's make the colors to heal something. To heal those things inside to not melting out. Yay!
Anybody help?
Anybody needs help. I need this to the small. Your turn. Pause it. Oops. I forgot to make us in own. Ooh. Hey, look at this. It's prettier. And inside is pretty too. Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie, can we like? Don't use that to get. We have father tiara. Tiara done. And you are pretty. But you still have to put in to get this one and this one rubber bands. You can use 2 of them to make it pretty. Let's put in 2 of them.
What?
What? Is it going down? Ah! It's fine, guys.
So pretty.
You like in the comments which one you like? This one or
This one.
this one or this one? Let me comment below. Bye.
Bye.
Let's go back. Two, 3, say cheese. Art. Why is cheese glowing in the dark? It's glowing in the dark. So you can, when you put it on later, let me goods. When you, so use sensory to hide it. Like this. Like this. When you put it down, then it's not here anymore. Look at this, is soft. Touch it, Mama.
Wow, it's so sparkly.
And soft.
Do you like it or this?
This one and this one together.
Which one do you like?
Which one do you like?
This one or this one?
Let me go to the comments. What your favorite eyes? What your favorite eyes?